Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Bybit account verified. So if you have a Bybit account, if you have just created your account on Bybit with the help of your email address and phone number, now you need to verify your Bybit account in order to start the deposit and withdrawals smoothly from the platform. So in order to verify your identity, you will have to simply follow these simple steps. First of all, you need to open your Bybit app, and as you can see that this account of mine is not verified, and until I verified my account, I won't be able to deposit and withdraw. So here you need to tap on this verify now option and it will redirect you on this page. Now over here in the residence country or region, you will have to simply select your country by tapping down on this drop down menu. So here after selecting your country, you will have to simply check this box of terms and conditions and press confirm in the bottom. Now it will redirect you on this page where it is saying that if you verify your account, you are going to get the standard verification benefits, in which you will be able to use P2P trading, and you will be able to do trading in general and deposit obviously. Now in order to complete your identity verification, you will have to provide 3 simple steps. Now these steps may vary from country to country. So in my country it is showing me 3 steps, but in your country it may show only 1 or 2 steps or 3 or 4 steps maybe. So here you will have to simply tap on the verify option right next to the verify identity, and now it will show you the documents that you can choose to verify your account. So basically you can choose whether you want to use a ID card or you want to choose a passport. So let's say I want to choose ID card, so you will have to simply tap on the confirm option in the bottom, and now it will ask you to take the pictures and record the video. Basically it will just show you a section where you will have to align that ID card and you need to capture the photo of that particular ID card. This way you will have to simply follow all of these steps, all of these 3 steps one by one, in which you will have to provide some of the personal questionnaires, and your you need to verify your some identity proof as well. It should be government issued ID. So you will have to provide all of these details and submit your verification request. Now within just 24 hours, I guess you are going to get an email from Bybit that you have successfully verified your ID, and now you can start using their platform smoothly. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.